What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today's actually a bittersweet day. I've decided to sell the Mustang and the Corvette. The reason I'm selling those is to make dreams come true. Literally since I was like 5 years old, I've been dreaming of this car. For me to get it, I have to get rid of the Mustang and the Vette. But what's coming is so freaking exciting, and I am so pumped up about it. All right, well, I just finished buffing and waxing it. We're out here at the lake. Mason's taking pictures of it. I'm gonna be sad to see it go. So I'll give y'all the first tour of the car before it's even posted. Behind the scenes, this is how you get all the angles. Also, guys, I have an update coming up on the Corvette. Some shit happened, even though I just had my video about how it's been absolutely perfect and I have spent no money on it. Well, that has changed now, and I'm about to have to dump a little bit into it before I get rid of it. Thank you, everybody, for sticking along for the journey. I can't wait for what's next, and we will see you on the next one.